Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's solve the problem swap nodes in pairs. So given a linked list, swap every two adjacent nodes and return its head. You may not modify the values in the list nodes, only the nodes itself may be changed. So here if we start from this node, this is the head pointer of our list. So these are the two adjacent nodes. So we have to swap them first. So this will become 2 1. Then we will keep continue it, and these are the another set of two adjacent node, we have to swap them. So this will become 4 3. So finally 2 1 4 3 is our result list, and we have to return the new head of pointing to 2. So how we will solve this problem? So for solving this problem, what we will do? So for solving basically any linked list problem, it will be good to use a help of dummy nodes. So we will create a dummy node of value, any value you can put in the dummy node, and because we have to return the dummy dot next, which will be our actual head node of our resultant list. So this is our dummy node, and we will link dummy dot next with the head, and then we will create two pointer. One is like here is a previous node from the dummy node itself, and another pointer current node from the head node itself. So this is current, and this is our initial. We know the head pointer is pointing to this node here. So now what we need to do? We know we need to swap when we have two nodes. So before this, so we have to check first condition. If we have C is not null, if current node is not null, and current dot next is not null, and current dot next is not null, then continue do this if not null. So this is the condition base case where we have to stop it. So now we have to swap this link. So previous pointing to this. So first of all, we will take the previous dot next and change this link. So this link from here to point to this node, this will become our new head basically. So we will write this code, the line of code of this will be previous dot next. So this previous dot next will be point to current dot next. So this is the first link change. Now we will change this link from here to point this. So this is link changes like current dot next is current dot next dot next, current dot next dot next. So this is what we change here. So now this link is not here, and this link is pointing to 2. Now we need to change this link, this 2 to 3. This should point back to this node. So this node right now still we have our pointer current is pointing this. So we will take this link. So this is link will give us previous dot next points to the current node. So the line of code we have to write here, previous dot next should point to the current node. So once is done, now we have to update both the pointer previous and current. So current should point this node. So for reaching to current, what we will do? We just write current is equals to current dot next. As our current dot next, this link is pointing to here, so we will shift current from here to here. So this will become our current new, and previous we have is still pointing here, and we have this link is pointing here previous, and then this link back pointing to here. So we will write the previous is equals to this the pointer previous dot next, or we can write over here as well. So this fifth line, let's start the implementation. It's very straightforward if you understand the linked list basically. So here first we will create a list node, dummy node, which is let's say dummy is equal to new list node, and any value you can put. I am putting -1, and then we need a previous node from the dummy node itself, and we will take a current node from head of the list. So now we will run this list, and before that we have to join the dummy dot next is point to head node. So we link that place. Now we will run this current until current is not equal to null and current dot next equals to null, which means we still have two more node that we need to swap them. So for swapping, first we will update previous dot next to current dot next. Now we will change current dot next. So here like this step we did first, and then current dot next is current dot next. So this will point current dot next is equals to current dot next. Once we done with this, we will change the current dot next. So this pointer, like this pointer back, so this pointer we know previous dot next, and this should point to the current. So this is previous dot next is 2 and dot next is this. So we will call here now previous dot next is point to current. Once it done, we will update current by current dot next. Oh, this should be current. So current is by current dot next and previous by previous dot next dot next. So this is just we updated both the pointer, and in the end we just return the dummy dot next. So that is the benefit of using dummy. You don't have to keep track and take care of all the head pointers things. So let's try to compile it, and we are getting correct answer. So let's try some custom test case. Empty list with one node, list with let's say 1 2 3 node, and list with some 1 2 3 4 5 node, and then another is 6 node. 5 6 node. So just try these custom test cases before submitting, so that we will get confidence like every test case is covered in our solution. So yeah, we are getting correct answer. Now we can submit the solution, and it is accepted. So now what is the time complexity of this solution? So the time complexity, as you can see, we are just iterating this whole list once, one by one. So we are processing all the node. If we have n node, so the time complexity of our solution will become the O of n. So this will be time complexity is O of n, and the space complexity of our solution will become O of 1, as we are using just few constant like references, node pointers, and this will become O of 1. So this is the solution. If you like the solution, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and there are lots of linked list problem already on my channel with the playlist linked list. I will share the link in the description here, so you can try out them as well. Thanks for watching.